Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC. In this video, we are going to see the quick query feature in Organizer for Salesforce. By using this feature, we can retrieve the Salesforce records without navigating to Developer Console or Workbench. Now, go to Organizer and click Quick Query. A quick query console will be opened. This is the query window. You can type any query here and click Execute. It will list all the accounts because we sourced account object. If we click this link, it will be automatically redirected to accounts object of the exact value which we clicked. Then this is a tooling toggle API. If you click this query console will source only the tooling APIs. Right now I am sourcing Apex class. It will list all the Apex class in the org. If you click this link, it will redirect to the Apex class. Then this is the history text box. It will show all the history values already we have sourced. It means it contains all the history queries. Apart from that, we can also save the query which we are processing using this VAQ. We have to give some name and save. This query will be saved here, which for future purposes. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.